So, hi, hello, and welcome, guys, to Campus Spotlight. We are back again, yet another with another kick-ass show. Who's the freshie? This is me, Ajay Sneha, and I'm joined by quite a fabulous bunch. We have some moldy seniors and some prospective Mr. and Miss Fresher. So, let's meet them. We have Yogita Reddy from Batch 18.
Hi all.
We have Shubham Kedia from Batch 20.
Hello.
Helena Paul from Batch 20.
Hey everyone.
Gautam Giri from Batch 19.
Hi guys.
Ritika from Batch 19.
Hello everyone.
Harsh Kanani from Batch 20.
Hi.
Susan from Batch 20.
Hello.
Aishwarya from Batch 19.
Hi.
Manoranjan from Batch 19.
Hello.
Maithili from Batch 20.
Hi.
Shubhangi from Batch 19. And Gautam from Batch 20.
Hey everyone.
Okay, so let's begin the show. So my first question is to Yogita. You have been the finalist of Miss Fresher 2018. So how did that, the entire show, that entire day change your coming days in IIT PKD? Like, did it add to your popularity? Did you get any proposals? So could you please share that?
Okay. Can I just leave the proposals part?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So it all started with my friends. Like they forced me to get into this, and luckily I ended up in the finalist. But I was not the Miss Fresher. But I'm happy because one of my good friends has become the Miss Fresher. But in the later days, if you come to the popularity thing, I don't think freshers will get you popularity. But it's kind of fun to have such events in the beginning so that you'll know each other. You'll grow a little communication with the others in your batch as well as your seniors and juniors in the coming years.
Okay, thank you, Yogita. Okay, so let's move on to one of the freshies, Gautam. So Gautam, I happened to see your photo in the Freshers Instagram page, so I'm pretty sure that you're going to participate in it. What do you expect from this show?
That I've seen the rounds for Mr. and Mrs. Fresher selection. I don't think so that it plays a huge role in popularity. It all depends on the interaction finally. But then it's gonna be a real icebreaker to get to know each other and all. But the one thing which I'm scared about, extracurricular stuff. So I guess we'll see what's going to happen in the competition. But other all rounds, I'm fine with it. I'm actually I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, so Shubhank, what do you expect from this Freshers Day, this Freshers Week actually?
Personally, I don't know what will be happening in this competition, but that's what we do now. We come to college, we discover something new, and we find our interest. So maybe from this competition, I may discover something like I am fearful to present myself in public. So even though it is not an offline event as regular, in which we would be presenting ourselves in front of others, but since posting a pic or telling something about myself maybe breaks my eyes for public exposure. So this is what I'm expecting.
Okay, that's great, Shubhang. Gautam Giri, you were crowned as Batch 2019 Mr. Fresher. So how did you feel when you were crowned as Mr. Fresher? Like what was your, did you have some adrenaline rush? And what part of that whole Freshers Day thing did you enjoy the most?
So for me, Mr. Fresher, as Yogidadi said earlier, I participated in the Mr. Fresher competition because of friends. They were pushing me, but once I selected to the upcoming rounds, then I started enjoying the rounds. I started enjoying it a lot, and even the Freshers Day, that atmosphere there was so lit. Even the DJ party that we had. So again, crowning as Mr. Fresher, I think it has a bit of luck factor also involved, I guess.
Okay, thank you, Gautam. Now, Alina, what if you are crowned the next Miss Fresher? Are you keeping it in mind that I should win Miss Fresher and participating, or are you just casually give?
Okay, I just wanted to be the Miss Fresher. I mean, I'm keeping that in my mind and I'm participating.
Okay, so we wish you all luck for that. You have participated previously in the Freshers Day. How was your experience? in participating? Did you have fun? And how did that whole thing go for you?
It was like amazing. Especially I enjoyed the DJ and all very much. And the final participants' performance was also very good. Like Parichita and Gautam performed an act. I enjoyed it thoroughly actually. So it was a great experience.
Okay, nice. Yeah. So, Manoranjan, how did you enjoy your Freshers' Day?
For me, it was a completely new thing. Like when I came to college, and after knowing my friends for 2 months, then the Freshers' Day came, and on that day we had whole day enjoyment, from participating in Mr. Miss Fresher contest to taking part in many events, and at last that DJ, that was amazing. And in the talent also, we saw many things. Some of my friends danced on that day on the stage who has never danced earlier. These things were very amazing for me, and that was a great success from my mind.
Okay, great. So, Susan, how do you feel, or what do you think is waiting for you? What do you think this Freshers' Day has got to offer you?
I believe it's going to be really nice because all of you guys, like till now, has been so friendly, and you've conducted so many interaction sections, and through that, I've got to know all of you, and it's really fun. I hope that the Freshers' Day will be more fun.
Okay. So, Maitli, why do you think this Mr. and Miss Fresher is being organized? Like, we could have a plain Freshers' Day alone. Why do you think this is being organized, this competition?
Actually, it's a new opportunity for all of us to get to know each other also. Since we're starting out together, I think it's a platform to actually showcase our talents also.
So, Bangi, how's the Josh going? How's the Josh for this Freshers 2020 going?
It is nice actually. We had a lot of fun in our Freshers' Day, the plays, the games and all. So I hope it is the same for them too. I mean, we are not in the campus, so I hope they enjoy the games.
Okay, so do you think there is going to be this online mode? Is it going to impact a lot, or do you think you can offer the same Josh that you had?
It won't be the same, but we will try our best to let them enjoy and give them the same feel.
Okay. So I think we can end this questionnaire session right now, and next would be the fun segment. So I've got like a bunch of questions, and I would be asking it alternatively, and you have to answer. It's like a rapid fire round. Give your answer fatafat, okay? No thinking, nothing. Okay, so Yogita, ready? Spell your name backwards.
It is T Goy.
Oh my god, okay.
What is T Goy?
Yeah. So, Elena Paul, whom do you think is the most overrated person in your batch?
Gautam.
Okay, Gautam. So, yeah, describe yourself in 5 words.
Funny, caring, lazy, and voracious.
Okay, so Yogita, your favorite spot in our college?
My favorite spot?
Yeah.
It could be my room actually.
Okay, fine. Elena, your worst date till now?
Okay, I don't have any.
So you're hashtag single forever?
Yeah, not forever. Not till now it was single.
Okay. Ritika, have you ever gotten away without paying Manju?
No.
So for those people, I mean the freshies, Manju is the person who runs a canteen in our college. So next to Gautam Giri, who do you think is the playboy in our campus?
Maybe Jasir.
Jasir. Okay. Yeah, when he hears if anything happens to you, I'm not responsible. Okay. So next to Shubhang, would you be dumb or deaf? Like if you had a chance, would you rather be dumb or deaf?
I would be dumb.
Okay, why so?
Because if I am dumb, I can express myself in sign language. But if I am deaf, I cannot hear anything.
Okay. Next question to Harsh. So, would you rather put makeup for a day or go naked?
Makeup.
per day. It's less embarrassing.
Okay. So next one to Ritika. Would you rather be known for your intelligence or for your looks?
For intelligence, obviously.
So next to Shubhangi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who do you think is the playboy of your batch?
Nitin.
Okay. So next to Susan. Susan, whom do you think, which girl is from your batch is getting a lot of attention?
I'm gonna say Alina. She's probably gonna kill me for this, but yeah, she has got a lot of confidence and she talks to everyone. So yeah.
Okay, fine. Maitri. So, would you rather marry your lover and have no children, or would you marry the person you hate and have children?
The first option.
Okay, so Manoranjan.
Yes.
Okay, so you must have gone to dates, right? So, which was the worst date till now?
I have not experienced any worst date till now.
So
All
everything
my
was
dates
best.
are very. Oh, that's best. Everything. Till
Oh
now.
my god. Really lucky for that. Congrats on that. So, Aishwarya. Aishwarya, tell me one, naughtiest thing or, a ridiculous thing that you have done in our campus and no one has ever caught you on that.
Ridiculous thing. No one has ever caught me also.
Yeah. Be fast, come on. You have to, this rapid fire, you have to answer fast.
Like I did something which I shouldn't do. So it was like not naughty, but still. My roomie actually, she was carrying my key all the time, and she was saying that like it's her key. So to prove her wrong, like I opened her purse and checked for her key. I didn't tell her, so I did something wrong to prove my point. So yeah.
Okay, so yeah. Moving on to Shubhangi. Okay, so Shubhangi, which is your favorite spot in IIT PKD?
Ahilya Heritage Village.
Okay, great. So Susan, how many proposals did you get till now?
0.
0. Your hashtag single forever?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sad.
Don't worry, you'll get someone.
I wish.
So I think that's it. Thank you all for joining, and thank you so much for joining the show. So yeah, do you guys have anything to add on?
All the best freshers and enjoy your freshers party. That's the biggest thing for you.
And
For
try
now.
really hard for giving up
That's what
great
from my side.
freshers to you, even though they have a lot of limitations. So do attend, the most fun.
Definitely. I think we have to thank you guys for being so friendly and supportive.
Yeah, all the best to all the freshers, and expecting more number of entries this year.
Yeah.
So once again, thank you for joining. Looking forward to meeting
Bye,
you all once the campus reopens. Okay, bye guys.